What's up, everybody? Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. You read that correctly. I will pay you to promote this link. That's right, everybody. Stop scrolling. Stop scrolling because I'm going to show you how you can make money online really easily by sharing a link. That's it. I know it sounds too good to be true. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, what is this guy talking about? We're going to jump into it in just a minute here. If you guys give me just a second, I want to share this to some groups because I'm trying to get other people watching. So if you're into making money online, if you are looking for an easy way to start getting paid for promoting things to your network, whether it's your social network here on Facebook or Instagram or your website or whatever it is, if you're looking for a way to start making some extra income really simply just by sharing a link online, this is your video and this is the link you're going to want to share. So stay tuned. In just a second I will show you how it all works. Like I said, I just want to get this in front of some more people so that it can help some more people, so you can help me out, and not only me, but you can help out your friends and your audience by sharing this video literally anywhere you think someone might be interested in making money online. So like I said, just give me just a second here. So I want to know how many people watching this have thought about making money online, or what you've heard about it before. So what I'm going to be talking about here today is affiliate marketing. And basically what that means is somebody paying you to promote their product or to sell their product. In this case, that somebody is me, and the person getting paid is you. And like I said, all you have to do is share a link. So if you give me just a couple more minutes here, I will show you how it works. And I also want to know if anybody is skeptical. If you think that what I'm talking about here is crazy, if you don't believe that you can make money by sharing a link, if you think that people making money online is just one big conspiracy and it's not a real thing, then drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 down below in the comments. Put a 1 if you think making money online is a scam, you can't do it, and it's not a real thing. And then if you're interested in making money online, if you've seen other people do it, if you're looking for a way to get started, or if you've already made money online and you're looking to make some more money online, then put a 2 in the chat. And those are the people I'm looking for, the number 2s, the people who believe it's possible, they've seen other people do it, they know it's real, and they're looking to either get started or continue making money online. So like I said, that's what I'm here to show you today. And like I said, I'm just sharing this in some groups, hoping we can get some more people watching. I'd appreciate it if you did the same thing, because hey, it's not only going to help me, like I said, it's going to help your network, it's going to help your friends and your family. And to be honest, I think a lot of us can use a little help these days when it comes to making more money, and especially something like as easy as making money by sharing a link. You can do it from home, you could do it from your car, you could do it from literally anywhere that you could have an internet connection. You know, you could do it from the coffee shop, from the Wi-Fi connection. It doesn't matter. And really, that's all there is to it. You share the link, if people buy, you get paid. And like I said, I will show you here in just 1 second how to get started with this. So what I'm talking about is my SEO training. I've made an SEO training recently to show people how to rank on Google, how to rank not only their websites on Google, but how to rank YouTube videos and images and blog posts and social media profiles and stuff like that. And basically this training will walk you through step by step, going from the very beginning, knowing nothing about SEO or creating content, to showing you how to create images, showing you how to create social media profiles and your own website, and then rank all of that on Google. So that's what you'll be promoting for me if you're looking to make easy money online. And you could just take a look real quick. This is the home page. This is howtorank.com. So this is where you'll be coming if you're interested in promoting this. But real quick, before we get too far into that, I just want to show you guys the numbers real quick on what this could do for you or anybody else that you share this with who might also be interested in promoting this. So basically there's 2 options on my website. You can either get the free package or you can get the full training. So obviously the free package is free, And the full training is $97 for lifetime access. It's a week-long training, but you pay $97 one time, and you can rewatch the training and go back for as long as you need to until you get it figured out. You can ask questions, I'll answer them, and I'm happy to help you. So that's how the training works, that's what it is. But here are the numbers as far as promoting this. So if you sign up for the free package, like I said, you don't need a credit card, all you need is an email address, and then you will need a PayPal account for me to pay you out once you make some sales. But if you sign up for free and you make one sale, that's $24.25. If you make two sales, that's $48.50. So then obviously 4 sales is going to be $97. So with 4 sales from your free membership, you've just earned yourself enough money to buy full lifetime access to the entire training. And then what's going to happen is you get bumped up. So free members earn 25% off of every sale. Paid members earn 50% for every sale. So if you make 4 sales on the free version and you upgrade to the paid version, now you're making 50% of every sale. So you make another 2 sales and you've made $97 again. So down here under paid, paid members are going to make obviously $48.50 for 1 sale, $97 for 2 sales. 4 sales, you'll be making $194. If you make 20 sales, that's $970. So almost $1,000 just for getting 20 people to purchase this training. That's in your pocket, almost $1,000 for, like I said, just 20 people. Now, maybe you're an influencer, maybe you already have a network, particularly people who are interested in getting traffic online, who are interested in learning about SEO. Maybe you have an Instagram following of 100,000 people or a YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers. And say you got 100 people to sign up for this training, that's $4,850, so almost $5,000 for 100 people buying this training. So you do the math. You know what I mean. Regardless of whether you're started from scratch, if you're just learning and you think you're going to make 1 or 2 sales, hey, that's 50 or 100 bucks. Literally for someone clicking your link. And if you get better or you're already experienced, that's thousands of dollars you can make literally just by promoting this link. So without further ado, here is how you get started with this. Like I said, you're going to come to howtorank.com, and you can take a look at the landing page here. This will tell you more about exactly what my training is. But when you're ready to get started, you could just click this yellow Get Started button. By the way, one more thing, I want to make this as accessible as possible to everybody. So if you want to go ahead and make 50% commissions, but you don't have $97 for this training, or you don't think it's worth it or whatever, there's a button right up here at the top where you can save 50%. So I'll give you full lifetime access to the full training for half price if you click this button. And the way to get half off is to buy one of these SEO expert hoodies, and I just got one in stock today. I don't know if you guys can see that. I actually have a second one here. We could do a quick unboxing. This is how it came, sealed up in this plastic here. So I'll go ahead and open this and pull it out so you guys can check it out. So there you go. You can get your own SEO expert hoodie. And if you buy one of these hoodies, first of all, you're going to be letting everybody that sees you know that you're an SEO expert. So that might lead to some more leads for your SEO business if you're looking to do SEO for other people. Anyways, so that's a way you can save 50% off, and then you can start getting 50% affiliate commissions instead of the 25%. But anyways, so here on howtorank.com, you're going to click Get Started. And this will bring you to the checkout page. So this is where you'll decide if you want the full version for $97 and 50% affiliate commissions, or if you just want to check it out. Like I said, you can join this completely free. You don't even need a credit card. You'll just put your name and your email in here, and then once you do that, you'll be inside the membership here. So this is the home page of the membership, and it's literally as simple as scrolling down here. It tells you once again 50% commissions. That's for the full paid members, 25 again for free members. But there's a box down here, and this might ask you to put your email address and your password in one more time, the same one you set up here when you created your account. So you're going to put that information in here. It will open this box, and you just click right here where it says links. So here you click links, and you can see here it says my affiliate links. You just copy this link, and now check this out. I've copied this link, and if I open a new tab and I paste this link in here, you see it jumps right back to my website for SEO training. And if you look up here, it's howtorank.com/affiliate ID, and then here's my affiliate ID number. Don't use the same one. Obviously you need to generate your link, but when you do, it will give you a unique number here for your affiliate link. And now anybody who comes to this website and buys this training, like I said, you'll be getting 25 or 50% depending on whether you're a free member or a paid member. So it really is that easy. That's all there is to do, is to just put in your information here on this page, grab your affiliate link, and then go crazy promoting it. You can promote it on Facebook, you can promote it on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on your website. And for those of you who do take me up on the offer for the full training, I'll be showing you how to make your own website from scratch, from start to finish, and not only how to make the website, but how to rank it on Google so that people find it. So that's a great way to go ahead and start driving traffic to my affiliate link here, and then I'll pay you, or to whatever your business is. You can even build your own affiliate program. One of these days I'll be making a video here on YouTube showing you how to do that. But anyways, I just wanted to put this out there. I know there's a lot of people getting started with SEO, with social media marketing, with web design, just tons of people looking to make money online. So here it is. Like I said, 100 sales as a free member will get you $2,425. 100 sales as a paid member will get you almost $5,000. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps you make money online, and it'll help you by helping me, and I think that's how we all win. So if you're into that, check it out. And like I said, store.howtorank.com. You can get yourself an SEO expert hoodie. And other than that, I hope this finds you well. I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday, and I hope you take me up on this offer so that I can start giving you half of the money I make from my SEO training. I'll give you half of it. I did the work, spending months to set this up, to build the website, to make the training, to record the videos. I spent years figuring out how to rank websites on Google, and I want to just pass all of this along to you in the most convenient way I can, which is why I made this video training. I think video is the best way to explain things and show people things. So I went ahead and made the video training so I could show you how to rank on Google, and then I went ahead and made this affiliate program so that you can start earning money online as soon as possible, literally as soon as you can sign up and create an account. So I hope you appreciate that. I hope to see you inside the training, and I can't wait to pay you out your first affiliate commission for promoting my product. I will catch you guys on the next video.